Give the man in red a big old belly laugh with these Dear Santa Cookie Stencils from Confection Couture. To learn more about the technique shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Screen Genie, Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool, cookie magnets, DecoPac airbrush food coloring, and of course cookie cutters. Visit Confection Couture Stencils.com today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.